Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Codium versus Copilot. So if you don't know what these two are, Codium is a free AI-powered coding assistant offering code completions, chat support, and integrations with over 70 program languages across various IDEs. Now, Copilot, on the other hand, is a paid coding assistant developed by GitHub and powered by OpenAI's Codex, providing context-aware code suggestions and deep integration with GitHub repositories. Now let's go over the pros and cons of it. So the pros and cons of Codium is that it is free for individual developers, supports a wide range of IDEs and languages, it offers local deployment options for enhanced privacy, it also has transparent data policies with a telemetry opt-out. Now the cons of it is that AI suggestions may feel less advanced compared to Copilot, it also has a smaller community and support resources, and it has limited enterprise features and dashboards. Now, let's go over the pros and cons of Copilot. So the pros of it is that it has advanced AI models offering high-quality suggestions, seamless integration with GitHub and popular IDEs, and additional features like Copilot chat and CLI tools. Now the cons of Copilot is that it requires a paid subscription after a 30-day trial, it has less transparency over data usage, and has limited customization options. Now, which one is right for you? So choose Codium if you're seeking a free, privacy-conscious coding assistant with broad IDE support, and opt for Copilot if you require advanced AI suggestions and deep integration with GitHub workflows. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.